Hello and welcome back to English Everyday Podcast. I'm Sam. Hey, you're back. Day 2. Good to see you here. Today we're talking about something really practical, how to introduce yourself in English. This is probably the most useful thing you'll learn because you use it all the time. Quick reminder about shadowing, just listen and repeat. That's it. Use your hands, use your face, don't think too much. And remember, 6 months from now, you'll be introducing yourself confidently anywhere. Just show up every day for 20 minutes, and we're building something together. All right, let's get into it. So, introducing yourself. Why does this matter so much? Well, think about it. When you meet someone new, what happens? They want to know who you are. Your name, where you're from, what you do. This happens at work, at school, when you're traveling, at social events, everywhere, really. And here's the good news. It's actually pretty simple. I'm going to show you a basic formula. 4 parts. Your name, where you're from, what you do, and what you like. That's it. Let's break it down. Part 1. Your name. There are a few ways to say this. The most common is, my name is, like, my name is Sam. Or you can say, I'm. This is more casual. I'm Sam. You can also say, you can call me. This sounds friendly. You can call me Sam. In formal situations, like a job interview, use my name is. In casual situations, I'm works great. Let's try it. Shadow me. My name is Sam. I'm Sam. You can call me Sam. All right, part 2. Where you're from. You can say, I'm from, like, I'm from New York, or I'm from Brazil, or I come from, same thing. I come from Tokyo. If you live somewhere different than where you were born, you can say, I was born in, but I live in. For example, I was born in Mexico, but I live in Canada. You can mention your country or your city. Both work. Shadow these. I'm from California. I come from India. I live in London. I was born in Seoul, but I live in Sydney. Good. Now let's put these two together, name and location. My name is Sam, and I'm from California. I'm Maria. I come from Colombia. You can call me Ahmed. I live in Cairo. See? Natural flow. Okay, part 3. What you do. If you have a job, you can say, I'm a, like I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, or I work as a designer, or I work at a hospital. If you're a student, just say, I'm a student. You can add where. I'm a student at Tokyo University. Or what you study. I study engineering. Some common jobs are teacher, doctor, nurse, engineer, designer, programmer, manager, driver, chef, salesperson. Let's go. I'm a teacher. I work as an engineer. I'm a student. I study business. I work at Microsoft. Now let's combine all 3 parts, name, location, and what you do. My name is Sam. I'm from California, and I'm a teacher. I'm Maria. I come from Colombia, and I work as a nurse. I'm Ahmed. I live in Cairo, and I'm a student. It's flowing naturally now. Last part, part 4, what you like. Your hobbies or interests. This makes your introduction more interesting. You can say, I like I like reading. I love music. I love is stronger. I love traveling. I enjoy. I enjoy cooking. Or in my free time, I I play guitar. Or my hobby is photography. Common hobbies are reading, watching movies, listening to music, playing sports, cooking, traveling, photography, drawing, playing an instrument, dancing, gaming. Shadow these. I like reading. I love traveling. I enjoy playing soccer. In my free time, I watch movies. My hobby is photography. All right, now let's put all 4 parts together. This is your complete introduction. Listen. My name is Sam. I'm from California. I'm a teacher, and I love traveling. 4 sentences. Simple and complete. A few more examples. I'm Maria. I come from Colombia. I work as a nurse. In my free time, I enjoy cooking. You can call me Ahmed. I live in Cairo. I'm a student, and I love playing soccer. My name is Lynn. I'm from Sydney. I work at a tech company. My hobby is photography. That's the formula. Name, location, job, hobby. Now, let me show you how this works in real life. You're at a coffee shop. Someone sits next to you and says, "Hi." You say, "Hi, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you." Or it's your first day at work. Your manager asks you to introduce yourself. You say, "Hello everyone, my name is Sam. I'm from California. I'm excited to work here as a teacher. In my free time, I enjoy traveling." Or you're on a video call with international colleagues. Your turn comes. "Hi everyone, I'm Sam. I'm from California. I work as a teacher. Nice to meet you all." Or you're traveling and meet someone at a hostel. "Hey, I'm Sam. Where are you from?" This formula works everywhere. A few things to keep in mind. Don't speak too fast. When you're nervous, you might rush, but clear is better than fast. Keep it simple. Don't use complicated words. Keep it short. 4 to 6 sentences is enough. And smile when you speak. Even on a phone call, people can hear your smile in your voice. Let me give you some variations, different ways to say the same things. For your name, instead of "My name is Sam," you could say, "I go by Sam," or "Everyone calls me Sam." For location, instead of "I'm from California," you could say, "I'm originally from California," or "I grew up in California." For your job, instead of "I'm a teacher," you could say, "I teach English," or "I work in education." For hobbies, instead of "I like traveling," you could say, "I'm really into traveling," or "I'm passionate about traveling." All of these work. Choose what feels natural to you. Now let's talk about formal versus casual introductions. In a formal situation, like a job interview or business meeting, your introduction might sound like this. "Good morning. My name is Sam Johnson. I'm from California, and I have 5 years of experience as an English teacher. I'm passionate about education and helping students achieve their goals." In a casual situation, like meeting friends or at a party, "Hey, I'm Sam. I'm from California. I teach English. I love traveling and trying new foods." Same information, different tone. Another thing. Sometimes people ask follow-up questions after you introduce yourself. If you say, "I'm from Brazil," they might ask, "Oh, which city?" or "How long have you been here?" If you say, "I'm a teacher," they might ask, "What do you teach?" or "Where do you teach?" If you say, "I love traveling," they might ask, "Where have you been?" or "What's your favorite place?" This is normal. This is how conversations start. Your introduction opens the door. Let's shadow some complete introductions. Different people, different backgrounds. Hi, I'm John. I'm from Australia. I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy surfing. Hello, my name is Priya. I come from India. I'm a doctor at City Hospital. I love reading and cooking. You can call me Carlos. I'm from Mexico, but I live in New York now. I'm a student at Columbia University. My hobby is playing guitar. Hey, I'm Yuki. I'm from Japan. I work as a graphic designer. I'm really into photography and traveling. Good morning. My name is Fatima. I'm originally from Egypt. I work at an international company as a marketing manager. In my free time, I enjoy yoga and learning languages. See how each one has personality? That's what makes introductions interesting. One more thing. Sometimes you don't need to share all 4 parts. It depends on the situation. At a professional conference, you might focus more on your work. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an English teacher from California. I specialize in teaching adult learners. At a social event, you might focus more on interests. Hey, I'm Sam. I love traveling and meeting new people. Just got back from Thailand, actually. Read the situation. Adjust accordingly. Let's do a few more examples with different structures. Short version. Hi, I'm Sam. I teach English. Medium version. Hey, I'm Sam. I'm from California. I teach English. Full version. Hello, my name is Sam. I'm from California. I've been teaching English for several years, and I love helping people improve their communication skills. In my free time, I enjoy traveling and exploring new cultures. All correct, all useful. Choose based on the context. All right, let's shadow some natural conversation starters that come after introductions. Nice to meet you. Where are you from originally? How long have you been here? What brings you here today? That's interesting. Tell me more about that. Oh, I've always wanted to visit there. What do you do for fun? These are common responses. When someone introduces themselves, you respond with one of these. Now, vocabulary. Let me break down some words we use today. Introduction. This means telling someone about yourself for the first time. Formal. This means professional or serious, like at work or in business. Casual. This means relaxed or informal, like with friends. Hobby. This means something you do for fun in your free time. Colleague. This means someone you work with. Originally. This means where you're from at the beginning, your birthplace. Let's shadow some affirmations, just a few. I can introduce myself clearly in English. Meeting new people feels natural. English conversations are getting easier. Good. So that's it, the 4-part formula for introducing yourself. Name, location, what you do, what you like. Tomorrow, we're talking about daily routines. How to describe what you do every day in English. That's day 3. Same time, same place. 20 minutes with me. You're building something here. 2 days down, keep going. I'm Sam. See you tomorrow.